Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in Gusto employee account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now simply click on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is type in gusto.com, press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Gusto. From here you'll be able to log in to your employee account. What you have to do is simply click on the sign in option that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the sign in interface of Gusto. From here you'll be able to sign in to your employee account. All you have to do is enter your email address and password over here. First of all, enter your email address. If you've forgotten your email, click on the option forgot email and you'll be able to recover it. After that, enter your password. If you've forgotten your password, click on the option forget password and you'll be able to reset it. Now after entering the credentials, what you have to do is click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. If your company has two-step authentication enabled, you might have to go through that. After authentication has been completed, you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Gusto employee account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.